Oh. Here, bud. You ready? What's this? From Aunt Mary Pat. Oh, the cutest hat. What is it?
Look.
What is it?
It's not.
Oh, it's a fish. It's a fish. Oh, I think it's a fish hat. Oh, funny. How cute. She made that. Oh my gosh, there's eyes. Look. That's adorable.
She
Pumpkin.
made it, didn't she?
Look.
Turn him around
Here.
and put it on me.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
So he won't probably keep it on long.
Oh my gosh, is that so cute?
Cute, Knox.
Look at him. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, I want to take your picture.
Perfect hat for this winter.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Where's my camera? I gotta get your picture. We left it on. Okay, good.
Because he can't got a free hand.
Oh, come here, bud. Come here. Knox. Come here. Oh, and he blinked. My slow camera.
Do it again.
Hey.
Knox.
That's cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at it. I love it. Thank you. Say thank you, Aunt Mary Pat, Uncle Tom, and Liam and Colin. I love my hat. Okay, let's do another gift. Come here, bud. Well, I know what he wants. I think. You can use his mallet for. Come here, buddy. Come here, Pumpkin.
Well, he likes his hat. He's keeping it on.
Good. It's so cute. So funny. Okay, let's see.
Did you get a good picture of him with it? Cause
I got one. Yeah.
this would be-
Can I get more? Come here, Knox.
Get back over here now that y'all are taking that.
Come here. We got more presents. Come back here. Here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Open this.